Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Chris Pirillo finally got the multi-monitor video done. Ha ha ha. I'm also watching Chris Pirillo, Vista Meets Nick. Watching and trying to mod everyone in Pirillo's chat. Good job with videos, Chris. CN Levo. Chris Pirillo's recording says Trap Lean 91. Watching Chris Pirillo. Boy, they're just coming in now, aren't they? Chris Pirillo is talking Twitter on live.pirillo.com from Weird Fishes. Brother Len is watching. Nick Schwab is watching. Says good luck with this video, no doubt. Last one I recorded took me, 27 takes? No joke. Right now I'm monitoring one keyword, a very simple keyword, a keyword that I'm quite attached to, considering it's my name, Pirillo. Ah, there we go. Rocky05 apparently just tweeted live.pirillo.com. Very simple. But I knew that he tweeted this because I'm monitoring it. Not through any software that I've installed. Oh, no. But through a website that I'm, accessing right now here. Of course, I've zoomed in really close. I could zoom in closer, but I'm not going to do that. But there are a couple of other columns on this particular web page, and I'm monitoring a couple of other keywords. Let's see here. Retweet, iPhone Kindle bundle just released by Amazon. Oh, nice. The iPhone is the biggest pile of... I hate the iPhone vertical keyboard. I'm tracking the iPhone keyword here in this column. Let me scoot over just a bit more. Chris Pirillo is talking Twitter. I'm monitoring Twitter here. Twitter, Chris, you suck. Thank you, Young629. I really appreciate that. This one's just it's going to explode. So I'm going to zoom out and show you the website, monitor.com. That's the word monitor, but instead of one T, there are two T's. So MONITTER. Monitor with two T's. And you go there. They throw a few default keywords at you so you can see how things are going. And then you can change those keywords as well. So I'm tracking Pirillo, iPhone, and Twitter at this point in time. And let's see, I wanted to track something else. I'll track Obama. And I press enter there. And I don't even, give me another keyword here. I've done Twitter. I've done iPhone. I figured those would be kind of popular. So what else could be? Microsoft, and purple. I don't know why. I don't know why I chose purple, but I'm doing that anyway. So I can change the keywords dynamically and get a complete different set of columns. And if I wanted to, I could add yet another column to the mix. I could also subtract columns from this particular website and track less keywords or more keywords. It's that simple to use. Then they have a neat little feature at the top, tweets within 10 miles of, let's say, Seattle, Washington, and I may have to enter in a zip code. Then it would automatically throttle down each one of these keywords based on location. Huh? Nice, huh? Well, I think it's kind of nice because A, nothing to install. B, well, if there's nothing to install, it runs in the web browser. And C, it's free. Doesn't cost you anything. So, even if you are not interested in joining Twitter, and I don't know why you wouldn't be. Everybody's on Twitter. I'm on Twitter. You on Twitter? I'm at Chris Pirillo. You can follow me. Twitter.com/Chris Pirillo. Follow me. I will follow everybody back within a day. It's an automated thing that we have running in the background. Even if you're not interested, this is still going to be interesting for you when something is trending. For instance, when a new product is released and you want to see what people are tweeting about, don't go anywhere other than, at this point, I'm going to recommend monitor.com. Live, dynamic, easy to use. And let's say you're saying, Chris, I really don't like the dark theme. Fine. Press the light theme button. You'll be so much happier. Or, you can flip back and forth between the two. It's that easy. It is that easy. What is my opinion of the Obama inauguration UFO? My opinion is that I'm not going to say because I'm afraid the people in the whole suit construct, knocking on my door and saying, hey, that's what they sound like. They don't even speak English. You've heard of them, right? And besides, I don't look good in my tinfoil cap anymore. My email address, chris@pirillo.com. As I pointed out, I am on Twitter, twitter.com/Chris Pirillo, or just at Chris Pirillo. You're more than welcome to join us in our community, geeks.pirillo.com, and plenty of people over there are a part of Twitter. In fact, let me go over here and type in Pirillo again. I'm going to track the Pirillo keyword. Let's subtract a column, make that a little wider. Actually, no, I'm going to add another column, make it a little smaller so I can zoom in a little closer. There we go. Zooming in. Love the Chris Pirillo Live. I realize this is extremely dangerous. Oh, there's a tweet that I just made earlier. Pirillo's better known than you are. Oh, Matt May said that to Jeannie Mose from CNN. She thought I was dreaming of becoming internet famous. This is potentially very dangerous for me to zoom this closely into a screen, especially since this is Twitter and you guys can say pretty much anything. Maybe I'll can you read that text clearly? Kind of? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Anyway, just saying. I like this stuff because I'm a geek. If you're a geek too and you like talking tech, well then you're more than welcome to stop by. We've got this chat room that's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at I was waiting for someone to tweet it. Tweet it. Tweet. Oh, because I have the 10 miles I gotta clear that out. There we go. Okay. Anywhere. Okay. Sorry, I forgot. For the 10 miles. There we go. Live.pirillo.com. We'll see you later.